I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated.
Guys, look guys, this cat, he's playing with me. Wait. Endelig åker, Miming. Endelig åker. Hello, here's another one cat. I think they're hungry. They're asking for food to me. But I have no food. I have no food, Miming. Miming, I have no food. Wala akong food. Ayan pa sila. O, tatlo sila. I have no food, Miming. Okay mo. Gapangabod-kabod sa nakan, no? Oy, baboy. I have no food, Miming. Look at these flowers. Very beautiful. I don't know which flower is this. The flowers. Why? My alaga will buy flowers for me as a present. So I will choose this.
The restaurant of the kibbutz. All people are eat there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we are inside the Gan Shmuel kibbutz. Not the my old woman.
In this is the Chanaya.
The parking.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I'm wondering why they covered like this. Maybe it's a special tree, I don't know. See, they cover, but not all trees, only some trees. Parang balite sa atin, di ba yung balite, yung mga ugat?
Now, here is the swimming
Pool.
Many people are come to this place from Hadera, from all the round.
Okay.
Here.
In this place?
Here, you see? Right.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. This is inside Kibbutz Gan Shmuel. Yes. A swimming pool.
It's also closed and also open. You understand?
What you mean it's also closed and also open?
It's open in the kites, in the summer, and in the winter it's closed.
Okay.
And here,
ay ang yug ang taas-taas. And what is this?
Here it's many showing here comes to see. Here. You see? Here.
What you mean? It's many show?
Concert and
concert
and atzagot. How it's called? Atzagot.
Concert. Yeah.
It's a Chala Tarbut.
Can I saw.
Hine.
This is the concert place. Malayong malayo kaysa sa atin, malayong malayo. Sa atin yung concert place natin ay malaking arena. Ayan.
Here is the parrot, the cow.
The cow? Why? But it's a pity we cannot go in. They're milking the cow. They milk the cow here in this place. Okay. It's a big Gan, It's a big kibbutz.
Now there is the end. Yes, but
we cannot go in more.
They not give to enter to where they live.
Okay.
You understand this because it's private.
Okay. My flowers. Akala ko bulaklak na puti, hindi pala, bumaligtad lang yung down. This is grapes, nakon?
This is the place.
Ken,
yes.
Grapes, yeah. Close. What is this building?
This is the building.
Of the concert?
Yes.
Only this. Iba talaga.
Many people are enter here.
Okay. But it is closed now, na?
Yes. But now in the corona, of course.
Okay. Look, guys. Yeah. This
You
is the
don't smell
concert.
the cow?
Ma?
You don't smell the cow?
I smell. I smell the cow. Why? Very nice kibbutz. The
It's good to live.
Ma?
It's good to live in this
Yes, it's good to live in the kibbutz.
kibbutz. Beta.
Yeah, the fresh air and the silent peace. Peaceful.
But the war won't come.
Okay.
Many Filipino and Thailandian are
Here? Here?
yes.
Parang ano nila, ano nga yung anhan ng mga traktora. Oh.
They go with the tractor.
Ken, tractor. Malalaking puno dito. Yan, no, nag-wonder talaga ako bakit ibang puno ay binabalot.
And this is the first kibbutz.
The first what?
Before many years, this it was the kibbutz. This.
Ken, this is the kibbutz. And until now, someone is living here? The old house?
I don't know. It's museum, I think.
A museum? Laki ng mga puno. This is the whole old house of the kibbutz, Mayor. Ken, old house of the kibbutz. Laki ng puno. Now you can see more trees here. Lalaki ng puno, oh. Ako'y masilaw na sandlit.
The tapuzim, eskoliyot, they do meats.
Here, this
You know.
is the factory of the meats or of the juices.
Yes.
And they export in all over the world.
Yes.
The factory of oranges. They make juice. Okay. So this kibbutz is big and rich, Nakon. They have so many properties.
Very rich.
Yes. This kibbutz is very rich because they have milking cow, they have fish, they grow fish, they have plants of plantation. No, plantation. Factory of juices. So this is very rich places. Mini factory. I think this one is also factory. Hindi, parang container siya. Container.
Home center.
Home center? Okay. Masilaw na, guys. Ayan, pauwi na kami. We're going home now, Nakon. On our way home, we'll go out.
Yes. I'm tired.
Ken, we're going home now. Okay, guys. Yan ang tour namin kayo sa kibbutz Gan Shmuel. Bye. See you later. Off.
Until the next time.
Yeah. Uwi na, pagod na daw si Alaga.